Hey guys, and welcome back in today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Alright, so today we happen to get our Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra in the mail today. So this is the HDR10 Plus 14.6 inch screen with a 512 gigabyte of storage and 16 gigabyte of RAM. This is the graphite. So here are some specifications back here. You get the S Pen. So this one does come with an S Pen. So let's go ahead and jump into the box and see what we get with this. So first off, like I said, it is a 14.6 2960 by 1848 WQXGA Plus S AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. So first off, right here we have the S Pen. So the great thing that you can write with notes and stuff with this by using the S Pen. It is a good size. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. So in here you get your owner's manual and your warning labels. So you can bring out the inner artist with this new S Pen included in the box. So if you like to draw, if you like to color, that's a great thing to have with the S Pen. So you do get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Unfortunately, you do not get the power block with this. So in right here, you get a SIM tray little pen. This helps to remove the SIM card or the memory card. And then you get a little bit of more quick start guide in this. So this has auto framing moves with you, so you're always front and center. You can watch together and chat along with real time with Google Duo. You can control the size, position, and number of windows with multi-window. So right here on the bottom there is nothing. It's just a little bit thicker to protect the tablet in shipping. So right here is the tablet itself. It is a massive but beautiful tablet, and then you get the Type-C charging cable. So with the 14.6 S AMOLED screen, now you have the power to game or edit videos in ultra smooth clarity. You can thank the 120 Hz refresh rate. You'll feel closer to the action when you hear every thrilling detail on the speakers. So this does have the Dolby Atmos surround sound. It's tuned by the AKG, plus you can discover new ways to boost productivity with an ultra-dynamic multi-window display that puts everything in need on one screen with many great capacities. This screen is simply a must experience to believe. So like here on the back, the S Pen does connect. It is magnetic, and then you have your camera right here. And you can see it is powered by AKG. So this one here I got in the 512 just to have more storage. So these little buttons right here can connect to a external keyboard, so you don't have to use the tablet keyboard. And then right here is the SIM card tray. So you do get the pin to pull that out. Here is your volume up and down rockers. You also got your power port. And then here at the bottom you have the charging wire port, which is a Type-C. So you can feel closer than ever before with the chat-like Galaxy S Tab 8 Ultra. Features the largest display, which is 14.6 inch, that lets you show more and do more. It has a 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel ultra wide dual front cameras with an auto framing and high resolution, which puts your face forward whether you are on a work call or catching up with friends. The Ultra features 3 mics, noise cancellation, so you can hear and be heard clearly in any environment. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So now it's going to give us the welcome screen. We're going to set this all up, and once we set this up, we'll go ahead and show you the display itself. So right now it's all connected. So the great thing about this outlasts your longest to-do list with a power efficiency battery. So this will work for many hours. It's got live tangle-free life universal charger, which powers your Galaxy. This has a whopping big huge battery size with a massive 11,200 milliamp battery, which is more than the size of the Galaxy S22 Ultra's battery. They have a screen max resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. The average battery life in this tablet is 14 hours. So this is the SMX 900. It is running the newest Android, which is Android version 13. So the weight of this tablet itself is 1.98 pounds. The dimension is 2.76 by 0.79 by 0.79 inches. As you can see, this is a powerful tablet. It is going through each applications smooth like butter. So this is the notification panel. It is updating the Samsung internet as this is brand new. So when you get a new tablet, it's always wanting to update to the newest software. This is running Android 13. So now I'm going to click on here on the search panel. I'm going to click on my website. You can see just how fast this is running. So just type in Madi's review channel. It looks very beautiful. You've got a full screen keyboard. If you do not like to push on the screen itself, you can actually buy an external keyboard that does connect in here. And you can see just how fast it's moving. I'm going to scroll down. We're just going to click on one of my videos so you can hear how loud it is. Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Navage nasal care, which also includes the saline pods. As you can hear, it is super loud. It sounds really fantastic. The screen is very beautiful. It is a really great tablet. It is beefed up its specs with 16 gigabyte of memory, 512 gig of storage. You cannot go wrong. You can see how fast it loads, whether you're using apps, websites. So right now I'm using YouTube. You can just see that it just goes through each app super fast. There's no lag. The 120 hertz, you can definitely feel it on this tablet. If you're looking for a nice beefy tablet that can give you everything that you want, I would highly recommend checking this tablet out. It is a beefy tablet and it is definitely worth it.